Hey everyone! Today I am showing you how this easy floating snowflake table decor centerpiece came together. It's inspired by a centerpiece that I put together a couple years ago, which is here and I'll link below. This is just an easier, newer version. I have a blue satin tablecloth in navy that I picked up from Amazon, fairly affordable. It's not the fancy kind that you would get if you rented it from a big company, but it does the job and it's a decent price. I also added on a fur or faux fur runner in white, which I did also get on Amazon. It's not my first choice. I would buy it again probably, but it was very wrinkly, and despite my best efforts ironing, I didn't get all of the wrinkles out, which is fine. I also didn't get all the wrinkles out of the tablecloth, so it's okay. It took a little bit of fluffing with your hands just to make everything lay nice, but it was pretty easy, nothing serious. So that's your foundation, and from there I added in the glassware portion of it. So in this instance it was the cylinders that'll be coming up here. You see these are just giant snowflakes, 3D snowflakes that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll have the link below, in plain old Dollar Tree cylinders and floating candles and a little bit of water. That's all you need. You don't even need the gel beads or anything for this. It's very, very simple. These snowflakes fit just barely. You kind of have to gently shove them in, but they fit in these, I think they're about 3.5-inch diameter vases from the dollar store. So I just got I had two different sizes from the dollar store on hand. So I just varied the heights and just switched it up. And then I also had some crystal low candlesticks that I had gotten from the thrift store years ago, and some nice clean white candles. And to add a little bit of sparkle and snow effect, I have some, they're from a floral pick from a very long time ago that was bought around this time of the year. And it's just fishing line that has some AB crystals kind of glued to it. But the pick fell apart, but I kept the strands. So what I've been doing is just kind of weaving the ends of the fishing line into the fur so it kind of disappears. So this is an optional step because it's going to be kind of hard to recreate, I think, that specific portion of it. But if you have any little delicate strands of crystal or anything that you want to add in here, I think it will help make a little extra sparkle on the fur, and it'll make it look a little nicer. That's it. It came together really nice, and what I really liked about this centerpiece look was that it looks great during the day. This is recorded at an overcast, kind of cloudy day, and it still looks beautiful. I have the candles lit just so you guys could see during the day. It still looks really pretty. It's nice. There's plenty of room on the table for cups and glasses and plates and everything, but it's a nice focal centerpiece, and I like having the layers, especially this little extra bit of, crystal sparkle. Some sort of sparkly snow I think in the fur will be really nice. This one just happens to be an easy one that I had on hand. Otherwise, it's a really simple tablescape. If you want to see how I did the other one from a few years ago, which is a little bit more challenging to do, but still very easy, I will have links in the description and info card for your viewing pleasure. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and for more Christmas videos, make sure you check out my Christmas 2020 playlist where you can see more information about that pencil tree behind you. You can see it right there. It's champagne and navy and white and gold, and it's beautiful.